Zorin OS 18.1 is out. Do you think this version performs better than the old one? Stay tuned to see the tests and the final results. We compare general information, CPU performance, threads, mutexes, memory, disk, and browser memory usage. Let's see which one wins.
Yeah. Hey, what is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day and another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in, just count it up. Another win, can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a clay for my love. Pisces, I live in a lake and I love it. Golden, yeah, I got the swing with the club. Hole in one. Where I'm at, you need some drive, get a license. Or you get caught up downtown, way too enticing. Dark days, brighter lights in the night. Ay. Keep it cool, play it right, skip the bison. Kick it dope, getting into the end zone. 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 Dog, then that's another hustle play. Vitamins, doing more than one a day. I just get it off the muscle, hey. Gotta run it in off the shuttle, hey. We can't even talk about it, especially when your boys ain't even being solid. Oh, of a kind, I hand it to you. Don't pay no mind, I could never do it. We are not congruent, that is not the movement. Got that earth, wind, and fire, baby, now we grooving. We were certain, stressed and tired, I had to be a student. Step to double up the volume, lead it to it. Yeah, lead it to it. Kick it dope, getting into the end zone. 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 I'm here for a long ride. They talking from the wrong side, it's gonna be a long night. We just wanna ball right. We just wanna ball right. Yeah.
In conclusion, the new Zorin OS 18.1 is more efficient, although version 18 still shows strong performance in CPU and thread handling. It's important to note that these are overall results. The tests were conducted on the same computer using the default installation. That's all for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.